It's early morning. It's very cold, as you can see on the grass, just ice everywhere. Today we are going to install a strut bar, so should be quick. I've done it before, so yeah, let's get it done. So now we just have to get this bit off here so we can get access to the top mounts of the suspension, because it's on the way and I cannot get the tools right. So yeah, as you can see now it fits. Let me just focus on here. Da-da-da-da-da. There you go. Lovely. So now the mounts are all in place, one on that side and the other one there. So now we're gonna put the bar on. Yeah, it's all done now. Unfortunately, I ran out of battery on my camera, but yeah, I went to get the other one and eventually I finished the job. So there we go, all mounted here and the other side. It's a pretty simple job. So because I think this strut back came off Mark 1, I had to flip these mounts here so it would fit on this area here that I struggled, because you had all of this and this as well from the clutch slave. No, not the clutch slave, the brake slave. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a test now.